How to set up custom alarm sound on Android. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do this. First off, you're gonna have to simply go ahead and open up your clock app, and once you have it open, go to the alarm section and select any alarm that you want to change the sound of. So here I've got this alarm sound called Homecoming. It's from my ringtone. You could also choose your alarm sound from Spotify, or you could just go to ringtone, and if you want to add a new one, tap on the plus icon at the top right. You can select any ringtone or song you want, or if you've downloaded any custom songs that you want to add, you could just do that as well. Then tap on done, and you can just set it as your custom alarm sound. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to tap on the save button at the bottom, and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.